How's it going, you guys? It's Night 47. I know it's been like a week. I uploaded the video what I was talking about with my friend Dante that he hasn't been with the channel for so long. Here's my dog, Bella. Bella. Stop. I'm inside in my dad's, well, how do I say this? His new truck. Yeah, my daddy got a new truck. This truck is a diesel. It's a Ford F350 7.3. Yeah, it's just like the white truck. So now there's three trucks. My Chevy K1500, my dad's Ford F250, and my dad's other truck, his F350. So like F250 and F350. So I was thinking that I wanna start my dad's truck. Bájate. What is she doing here? I was thinking that I wanna start my dad's new truck.
Miquito.
My dog, aquí está. My dog, my big boy.
Oh, aquí está.
Starts very well. Besides, it's a diesel truck. Not bad at all. It's not bad. The truck has 431,000 miles. It's so like my truck, my K1500 has 415,000 miles. So it's like 431 minus 16. It's like 16. Well, yeah, something like that. It has like more miles than the Chevy truck. But yeah, it starts very well. But besides, this truck, it's only for 24 years for construction. I know my dad, he got this truck fixed. I mean, he bought it like back in like in January or February or something. Bella, quítate de ahí, bájate. Yeah. Sounds cool. Never heard a diesel truck before. Let me pause. So yeah, this is the truck. It's a 1999 Ford F350 Super Duty. It's a XLT. Yeah, cause it has a larger bed, just like the white truck. But now the white truck. The white truck, it's a 5.4 Triton. I don't know how to say that. The motor of this truck. Oh shit. Yeah, it's same year, but this is a extended cab. This one is a crew cab. The exhaust of the truck doesn't sound that bad. It's a diesel truck. Good for use for work. It's a cool truck. It's cool. It's kind of like a nice truck to use it for work. So let me show the motor. So yeah, that's the motor of the truck. Like I said, it's a 7.3 diesel, and the white truck is a 5.4. Yeah, this is a gas. That is a gas truck. This is a diesel truck. And This right here. Right there. 7.3 liter diesel. Sounds cool. I know this truck is old. The previous owner probably had this truck for like years. But this truck, see like the grill of this truck kind of looks broken. Same just like my Chevy Silverado. Yeah, the side step. Bumper looks like a little bit good shape. A little dirty. After the headlights, looks like it's about to break or come out. Not a big deal with these wheels. But yeah, like nothing special. Here's the back. Here's where my dad he put his stuff on this truck. But yeah, anyways, it's good for it's good to use for construction work. Otherwise, people they have one of these trucks for a truck show. Yeah, it's cool. You know, you guys, I can also handle that truck because here, let me show you. Actually, let me turn off the truck so it doesn't run out of diesel. It's like a cool truck. Well, you can see right there, Powerstroke diesel V8. This truck, let me shut the door. Get inside. Get in. This is it's a manual, has a clutch, and yeah, I can start this truck. It's not that hard to turn it on. Oh, the air feels good in this truck. So yeah, it's a 5.4 Triton, but for my Chevy K1500 it's a 5.7 TBI. The Tahoe, it's a 5.7 Vortec. There's some custom headlights, well, tail lights on my dad's secondary truck. Well, probably this is my dad's secondary truck. Nah, actually, is his primary truck, Ford truck, and now this one is his secondary. I know this is good for used to work, but this truck is a manual. So let me do the exhaust sound on this truck to see how this thing sounds like. Yeah, that's how the truck sounds like. This truck, I know my dad's been driving this truck for actually he got this truck for like 3 years ago. And look how many miles it has. It's not that a lot, but it has like 220,000 miles. It's like catching up with the Tahoe. Well, the Tahoe is about to have 223,000 miles. Well, yeah. But I like this truck. I wish I want to learn how to drive this truck, because this truck is not an automatic, it's a manual. It's a good truck anyway. Also, my dad, he put a custom horn. See how it sounds like, amigos. Yeah, that's a custom horn because the horn on this truck does not work, so that's why he put that horn, a custom horn. Sounds like a train horn. Anyway, I'm just gonna end the video now. Yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe my channel if you're new. Make sure to turn on the notification bell after subscribing my channel. leave some comments. What do you guys think about my dad's Ford trucks? I know he has two. For me, I think I only have the Tahoe and the Silverado K1500. Those are my only trucks that I have. Yeah, so also guys, follow me on Instagram and add me as a friend on Snapchat. Alright you guys, I'm just gonna end the video here now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Good luck out there. I know this virus is not gonna, I'm not sure it's gonna stop, but it will. Anyway guys, stay safe and have a great day. Adios.